Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name's Simon and as ever I'm here with Brett.
Oh.
And you may be thinking, why have you got Sonic 2 for the Sega Mega Drive out here? And the reason is, this is a rare charity shop pickup. And it's to do with Sonic the Hedgehog. Because a little while back I found this, which Brett's going to bring over right now.
Also, the reason why it's Sonic 2 and not Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic Tails.
Because we've got to that in a minute.
Nope.
Yeah. I found this Sonic the Hedgehog pinball by Tomy. Now,
Or Tommy.
Tomy. This was only £4, and I saw it.
Right there.
And I saw it in there, and I knew I had to buy it. I didn't get a chance to test it out. It says it's been checked. Some charity shops don't check everything that comes in.
I'm supposed to check out.
Some charity shops do, and they check if the electrics are working fine, and they'll say it's passed and stuff, and they make sure everything's complete. Sometimes in charity shops you need to check that for yourself. But this had been checked. The condition of it's quite good. Now, there's something about this that's different to, I would say, 100% of things I've ever seen in the past. What do you think that is, Brett?
It's Sonic the Hedgehog.
No.
And what?
I've seen Sonic the Hedgehog things in the past. What might be different to this? Okay, what might be different to this than anything else I've ever bought ever? I'll give you a clue. It's power. Power.
It takes two different types of batteries.
It takes two different size batteries. So on the back here, we got two doors. This one takes D size batteries, and this takes C size batteries.
What's the difference? They look about the same to me.
These are smaller than the other ones.
I don't know from this angle. But then again, I'm on this side.
So it makes it a bit difficult if you get home and you don't have two different size batteries. It took us a little while for today to find the smaller ones, funny enough. We had the big ones because we never use them, so we had brand new ones in the packet on the side. You've got your power button on the side here. You've got your reset for the score at the top. You've got the lever for bringing that and for shooting these. And then you've got your two paddle controls on the side. Now, we're going to turn this on.
Warning, this is very loud. You may want to lower your volume down quite a bit.
Right, I'm going to turn it on.
Now, I'm going to play. Well, this is great.
It's not quite level.
This on something. Ah, it probably is.
Yeah.
You are on an angle, I play.
But as you can tell, it's quite noisy. But it does work. As you can see, if he ever hits anything, the score does change. And it all lights up. Let me turn it off a minute.
I just play without sound.
And you've got this bit here where if you can get the ball in the right place, you'll get it through into this. It goes into here, swings around, and then comes down here. It hits every paddle and every moving part is working on here. They all register a score. The lights light up when they should. It's a great item. The only thing is, if you do have young children, they will play it quite a bit, and it would probably get on your nerves after a little while.
You'll probably go deaf.
But
it is possible to play without it being switched on, though. You just don't get a score.
But since this is something from 1992, it says on the front. For how long's that ago? No, that's
a long time ago.
12 away from my age. 28 years ago. Oh, blimey, that's a long time, isn't it?
28?
Yeah.
Not as long as I thought I was. That's been 39.
Look at you. How old do you think I am?
45.
You cheeky boy.
Or 50.
You're getting worse.
67.
Seriously. Right. But for something that's quite old, I think it's kept up to a pretty good, decent standard. It's not cracked on the plastic. Sometimes with older plastic items, the plastic does become brittle over time, and also this could have become yellowed, and all the stickers could have come off, but the stickers are still all intact, and I like it. And as soon as I saw it, I knew we had to have it. As soon as my wife saw it, she knew she had to take the batteries out of it. So, what do you think of that, Brett? Do you think that was a good buy?
Yeah.
Right, if you want to see any more rare items we pick up, we've got a couple more that we've done. I haven't picked this one up recently. This was quite a little while ago, but it's one of those things that I picked up. We used it quite a few times, and then we put it away.
No, he put it away. It collected dust for quite a long time because my brother kept using it, and it gave people a headache.
Actually, it was your mother that put it away, not me.
Because it probably gives people a good headache.
But yeah, it's a nice item. If you want to see more, please like, share, subscribe. We ask if you would subscribe because we're a growing channel and it gives us an incentive to make more videos. So if you like what you see, join us again and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.